Hello everyone, this is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. Today in this video, I will be talking about the basic concept of DBMS and applications of DBMS. Before going in details, I will request to those who haven't subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe it. Yes, now what is DBMS? DBMS is nothing but the database plus management system. Database is a set of interrelated data and management systems are set of programs to access those data. So database is nothing but having interrelated data, the data which is interlinked to each other, and we are using some set of programs to access the data which is stored into database. DBMS contains information about a particular enterprise. So we will, in the next slide, we will see different applications of DBMS. DBMS provides an environment that is both convenient and efficient to use. So these are some of the applications of DBMS. The first one is banking. If we talk about banking application, it contains details about employees that are working in the bank, then account holders, then some transactions. So whenever we talk about banking database application, it is nothing but the database of everything which is there related to bank. So interrelated data, and we will execute some queries, we will execute some operations which will be performed on the bank database. Likewise, we can talk about second application, airlines, which will have the information about reservations, schedules, passenger details, employees that are working with the airlines, etc. And everything is related to each other, so that large number of data will be there with the airlines and we can retrieve that data using set of programs. Then the third application is universities or college. So college or universities also will be having the database which will contain the database of students, staff, department, registrations, result, etc. Again, it is interlinked to each other. If we will see student, staff, both should be related to each other. In which department staff is working, in which department student is studying, everything is interrelated to each other. So we can say that university is also one of the important applications of database. The next one is sales. Again, when we talk about sales database, we will have the database of customers, products and purchase. And again, it will be interlinked to each other. The next one is hotel management, which will have the data about the orders, menus, then employees that are working with the hotel, then customers who are coming in the hotel, everything. So everything will be maintained in the database and that is related to each other. The next application is hospital management. Again, hospital management system will contain the data about doctors, patients, specialization, etc. The next one is manufacturing, which will talk about the production, inventory, orders, supply chain. Again, it is interlinked to each other. The next one is human resources, which will talk about the employee records, salaries, tax deduction. So if you will see here, I have listed some of the applications of database in which we can say that database which has a set of interrelated data and which we will require some set of programs to access that data. So whatever is stored in the database, that will be accessed by using some set of programs, and how it will be accessed, that I will tell you, I will explain you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.